Alright, so what we're looking at is a Heil here. It's not heating properly. Right now the thermostat's it's shut off, but we're just gonna jump out the thermostat to get the heat to turn on here. So we're jumping in between R and W. I mean, you can do this at the thermostat if you have access, but I don't have access to the thermostat right now. So the first thing in the sequence of operations, once the heat kicks over, the circuit board gets the call on W, which turns on the induced draft motor. This induced draft motor right now, you can feel it, it's running, but there's nothing coming out the exhaust. And if I check the amp draw on this, I can see that it's drawing 0.56 amps, so I know it has power to it. We can also double check by taking power off here, switching to volt AC, and checking this leg and this leg, and we should have 240 volts. So we've got 246 volts going to this motor, but the motor's not running. We know for sure that this motor is bad. So what we're going to do here is we're going to shut off the power right here at the disconnect. And this unit has already been diagnosed, so what we're going to do is we are going to take this, that, and that bolt off, and we're going to and this right here, and we're going to take this whole assembly off. We're going to put a new assembly on, wire it back up, and then test this system.